Django Admin, disable the add action for a specific model. I have a Django site with lots of models and forms. I have many custom forms and form sets and inline form sets and custom validation and custom query sets. Hence the add model action depends on forms that need other things, and the add model in the Django admin throws a 500 from a custom query set. Is there any way to disable the add $model functionality for a certain models? I want to give a 404 or suitable go away error message. I don't want the add $model name button to be on /admin/upname/model name view. Django Admin provides a way to disable admin actions, this URL. However, the only action for this model is delete_selected. i.e. admin actions only act on existing models. Is there some Django-esque way to do this?
It is easy, just overload has_add_permission method in your admin class like so.
I think this will help you. Below code must be an admin.py file. In additon to the above as posted by.
By default, sync creates 3 security permissions for each model. Create, aka add, change, delete. If you're logged in as admin, you get everything no matter what. But if you create a new user group called General Access, for example, then you can assign only the change and delete permissions for all of your models. Then any logged in user that is a member of that group will not have create permission, nothing related to it will show on the screen.
Just copy code from another answer. In my case, I use inline. In service equals formset.form.base_fields service, base_fields is the fields defined in model. If defined in the form, use product equals formset.form.declared_fields product. See also.
Want to simulate this?